Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is March 25th and we're going to be looking at silver right here, spot silver 60 minutes time frame. We are currently rallying within wave 4, right? Within wave 4, and once the rally is complete, we still have a chance to do another leg down as long as we don't break above 90 here. Now, potential target on the upside in the shorter cycle is extension in the C leg between 75.681. This is where potentially the rally can stall and then starts to turn lower again for one more leg down in the wave 5. So let me zoom out into the higher time frame. Here is the 4-hour time frame. Let me copy this 3 here and 2 in the 4-hour. So this is the 3 and this is the 2. Okay, so what that simply means is that we are now doing a 4 and then after that a 5 for one more leg. So this is your 1 here, right? This is your 1. So if you look at the structure of silver, right? This is the all-time high in silver, 121. Now the long-term structure still remains bullish, right? Because it makes new all-time high. There's no reason to believe, it has started to peak or to top out and then starts to pull back and so on. So we can consider this entire pullback as corrective. Now you can see there is this 3 swings down, but then it depends on how you label this. I think you can label it as a flat, expanded flat. So this is A, B, C possible like this. So this can be counted as with A, this could be counted as with B, and then now we are doing A with C, right? And yeah, for now, as long as we stay below this wave 2 here, there is a chance for another leg down. However, it does not necessarily, there is always a possibility of truncation, guys. Now if you look at the extension, and I'm using this one instead of this one, I'm using this one, the 100% extension is actually 46, which is a little bit too low, but it's possible. It's possible to go to 47, 46. Okay, it's a little bit too low, and therefore I think there is a possibility of getting truncation before reaching 46. Okay, because why do I say that? Because if you look at gold, which is correlated, gold is already reaching the 100%. So gold similarly 3 swings down is starting to bounce. Now you can see gold already reaching the 100% right now. So yes, even gold can see a bit more downside. This is the area, but since gold already reached it, so that means we are in a zone or in a time period where we can start to do a rally, right? To do a if not going to new high again, then at least a big risk correction higher is a possibility here. So then again, when we go back to silver, then even though, yeah, we have not reached the ideal 100%, but gold already did. So we may not necessarily have to reach the exact 100%. More likely than not, then probably this is going to truncate without reaching the target lower. So as a result, I think if you are overly too bearish with precious metal, I don't think it's a good time, because gold has already reached 100%. I don't think you should be overly too bearish any longer, and instead anticipating a reversal of some sort. Now you can draw a trend line in silver like this. This is the bearish channel. If we actually manage to decisively break above it and close by breaking above and closing the candle above it, then there is even a chance this entire cycle is finished. So then I can move the 3 and the 4 here, for example, if we actually break higher, and then we're calling it completed. And so if that's the case, then this cycle may have already finished as an ABC. So you can put an A here, and then a B here as an expanded flat, and then the C completed here, and then we start to rally higher. But in the meantime, there's not enough evidence to suggest we are ready or the cycle is complete, and that's why for the time being we are calling it this way. Okay, but be careful with this trend line. in silver and keep watching it carefully to see if it holds. And then also the idea that gold already reached the target level, the minimum target level, and therefore you know, it's time to be cautious in the metals at the moment, um, because it should very soon get a substantial support for at minimum a big three rally, if not going to new high. Okay, so that's the idea, guys, for silver today. As always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.